Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix Windows Update stuck on a random percentage. So to fix that, let me show you the fix you can follow. The first thing is go to the search section and search for services. Now head over there. Once you are there, click on any of the services and press on W on your keyboard. So, and from there, go to Windows Update. You might find it in here and right click on it. Go to Properties and here change the startup type to automatic and start it right here and then click on OK. So once it is done, then just start it. And the second thing you need to do is just to search for troubleshoot settings. So search here troubleshoot settings. You can also navigate it from system settings. So head over there. So once you find it in here, go to additional troubleshooters and you will find some troubleshooters here. Now you have to find your Windows Update troubleshooter. So if you can't find it in here, it's because you are using a different version of uh, Windows. So you might find it in here and then what you have to do is to run the Windows Update. And yeah, this is what you can do to fix the Windows Update stuck on a place or stuck on a percentage. Hope this video will help you out and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in the next video.